going to get this bed ready to put in French beans. We're going to go halfway, and then in a few weeks time we will go the rest of the way. Mark is rolling it with our homemade seedbed roller that firms the ground up, so it makes it easier for the seeder to make rows for the French beans.
On this side you see it.
You can see the bean is being picked up by the disc, and then the little plows at the bottom makes a row. The bean goes in and it covers it straight away.
The chain.
The chain covers it, yeah. Reggie thinks he's helping. Come on, you donut. Come back. Come on. How many rows are you putting in?
3.
3. This is the last row. We get really good French bean crop when we sow it with the Cresco. Fairly recommended for that. And we've netted it and pinned it down to keep the warmth in the soil, and then I'll show you when they start coming up.